What's the meaning of coalfield? Coalfield. Coalfield.
Coalfield. Coalfield. A coalfield is an area in which there is a concentration of coal deposits. These deposits can be found both underground and on the surface, and may be located in a variety of environments including hills, mountains, and valleys. The mining of coal from coalfields is an important industry in many countries, providing a significant source of energy for power generation and other uses. However, it also has negative impacts on the environment and human health, such as air and water pollution, soil degradation, and respiratory diseases. Overall, coalfields are important natural resources that have both positive and negative impacts on society and the environment.